Between 700 and 800,000 people are living with HIV or AIDS in China. That's 0.05% of the country's population. A small number, but a big problem. And many cases have yet to be counted.
Our work for HIV prevention is still very difficult. It is estimated that there are about 200,000 to 400,000 infected people who have not been diagnosed. So extending HIV testing to more people is a key and a difficult part in carrying forward HIV prevention.
The Chinese Center for Disease Control and Prevention tracks HIV/AIDS rates in China. It says there was a slight uptick in cases this year, a change it links in part to the expansion of HIV testing, especially among young people.
If a university student wants to have an HIV/AIDS test, he or she just needs to pop into our youth center to have an anonymous registration. Then we will arrange a consultation and a fast test for them. 15 minutes will be enough for results. We will also give those people relative education according to the results.
And when it comes to HIV/AIDS testing, there's even an app for that. The online dating platform Blued offers free HIV testing to its 27 million users. It has special centers set up in Beijing and other locations in China. Last year, the company tested 6,000 people. People who test positive are often shocked, but then they're offered services to help.
I
didn't know much about the disease at the time. I thought it was impossible for me to contract it. So when a doctor told me about my condition, I was devastated. My mind went blank and I thought about suicide.
People who are newly diagnosed are in some kind of a trance, incapable of thinking clearly. They need help to adapt to the new situation quickly. After that, we talk to them and tell them it's no different from other diseases and that they can still live a long life.
Health officials in China say sexual activity remains the primary cause of HIV transmission, accounting for more than 90% of the country's total cases.